Andrea here from Nexttool Dev Team. In this video, we will see how to offer specific payment options to specific customers, tagged with the tag VIP. So first thing first, click on Payment and click on Conditionally Remove Gateways, and then create a function. This is our checkout. As you can see, we have all these payment options right here. So what we want to do is offer cash on delivery code only to customers with tag VIP. Otherwise, it won't be shown. So to do this, we will hide code for no VIP. We will say that if customer tags does not match one of VIP, then what we want to do is remove our gateway with the name cash on delivery code. Perfect. Okay. So let's turn off this function right here, and let's turn on this function right here. Now, if we reload the page, we'll still see the cash on delivery code because this customer right here, as you can see into our customers table, has the tag VIP. But if we remove the tag from the customer and we reload the page, you will see that the payment option is not available anymore. We can also create a function that hide all the other payment options if the customer has the tag VIP. In this way, we can offer only the specified payment option, in this case, cash on delivery, for customer with the specified tag. Let's do this. So what we want to do is re-add the tag VIP. And then let's go back into SupaEasy and create another payment function. Create function, payment function, conditionally remove gateway, other gateway for non-VIP. Sorry, for VIP. And we want to say that if customer does match VIP, what we want to do is remove money order, and we want to remove bank deposit and credit card. The name for credit card is Shopify payments. Save the rule and enable also this one. Now let's reload the card. Oh, we forgot PayPal. So we want to also hide PayPal and PayPal Express checkout. Save the rule again, and let's reload the card. Now, if the customer has the tag VIP, let's reload. If the customer has the tag VIP, he will be able to pay only by cash on delivery. And if the customer does not have the tag VIP, he will be able to pay with other payment methods rather than cash on delivery, as you can see right here. See you in the next video.